Tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte lang po yung nagkaroon ng appropriation for the confidential funds.
Andy C. Lim for 50,000 pesos. Andy Lim. May discrepancy. Hindi tugma, 150,000 na butay. Bakit, Mr. Witness? Bakit Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang inaudit mo ng confidential funds?
Dahil po, since nung nag-assume po ako ng 2014 sa ICPAO, wala pong naging appropriation for confidential funds si dating Vice President Binay at si dating Vice President Robredo. Tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte lang po yung nagkaroon ng appropriation for the confidential funds. Yung kanilang physical and financial plan ay hindi compliant dun sa requirements ng Joint Circular 2015-01 dahil hindi po in-indicate ng OBP yung kanilang specific confidential activities na paggagamitan nila ng kanilang cash advance.
So una, hindi compliant ang physical and financial plan ng Office of the Vice President.
And under the same item din po, yung kanilang accomplishment report ay hindi rin compliant dahil hindi rin po naka-indicate doon yung kanilang specific confidential activities na pinagamitan nila ng kanilang cash advance. Based from this acknowledgement receipt po, tumanggap po si Mary Grace Piatos ng 70,000 pesos for the payment of rewards, close and open parenthesis, medicines.
Magkano ba ang binigay na confidential funds?
Ang based on the documents submitted to ICPAO, 125 million pesos po.
May discrepancy. Hindi tugma, 150,000 na butal.
Based on the documents po, yes, may discrepancy po yung acknowledgement receipts and the accomplishment report.
Okay. Andy C. Lim for 50,000 pesos. Andy Lim. Kanya ko pala hindi mabasa. Andilim. Kung merong andilim, siguro dahil
Objection,
pikit.
Your Honor. I'm sorry, but I've been giving leeway to opposing counsel, but I think she's been coloring, the contents of the documents more than what is shown
Your
in the
Honor, I'm
documents
just reading. It
itself.
says here. And
No,
counsel
Your
can
Honor,
It says andilim.
I think you
It's
know
the
my
way it
point, Your
sounds, Your
Honor.
Honor. It's like patiting. That's the way it's spelled. And the next one, maybe you will object again. It's Alejandro A. Pikit. I was gonna say, kanya siguro madali. May pikit ang mata. Mr. Witness, itong acknowledgement receipt, walang kasamang mga resibo.
Yes, ma'am. Wala po silang inattached na resibo.
Umalis po si Mr. Wamil, ako na po ang nagpatuloy ng audit ng mga liquidation documents po ng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education po.